We're live and you're sitting at your Windows PC wondering, how do I get this thing on Wi-Fi? Let's walk it through like a smooth 2-minute drive down the field. First play, eyes to the bottom right corner of your screen, that taskbar. You're hunting for the network icon, those little radio bars or maybe a tiny globe. If it's hiding, hit that up arrow, check the bench, and bring it into the game with a click. Next, we make sure Wi-Fi is actually turned on. When that network panel pops up, look for the Wi-Fi button. If it's gray or says off, click it. Once it lights up, the scoreboard changes, a list of nearby networks starts rolling in. Now you scan that list like a quarterback reading the defense. Find the name that matches your home router, the one printed on that sticker or given by your internet provider. Click it to select, then hit connect. Here comes the password play. A box appears, you carefully type in that Wi-Fi key, remember, upper and lower case matter. Leave connect automatically on if you want your PC hopping on this network every time. Give it a second, and when you see connected under that name and a solid Wi-Fi icon, you're online. Fire up a browser, load a page, and just like that, you're out of the tech timeout and back in the game.